If you're facing problem with adding friends, this tutorial review will show you how to fix Snapchat add friends something went wrong problem. Follow these solutions to fix this problem. Solution number 1, update the Snapchat app. Go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Snapchat. And if you see any update available, then update your Snapchat app and check the problem if fixed or not. Solution number 2, clear the Snapchat cache files. Go to your Snapchat app, tap on your profile, tap on this settings icon at the top right, and here inside of privacy control section, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache, clear. Once you have cleared your Snapchat cache data, relaunch your Snapchat and check the problem if fixed or not. Solution number 3, temporarily disable your VPN. If you're connected to VPN, then you have to disable your VPN and then open your Snapchat app and check the problem if fixed or not. Solution number 4, sign out and sign back in. Open your Snapchat app, tap on your profile, go to settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on logout. Tap on logout. Once you logged out, log back in and check the problem if fixed or not. Solution number 5, avoid adding too many friends at once. And the last and final solution is uninstall your Snapchat app and reinstall it from App Store or Play Store, and hope this will work to fix the problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.